got no roots, but my home was never on the ground. I've got no roots, but my home was never on the ground. I've got no roots. I've got no roots.
Ayam Seko is located in Tok Jembal, Kuala Terengganu. It started operating around 2020. It is part of the food and beverage industry and has gained popularity for its unique menu and generous portion. Their signature dish is nasi lemak with a whole fried chicken, also known as Ayam Seko. Besides that, they also offer other options like nasi lemak ayam kunyit, nasi lemak daging, roti bakar, nasi minyak, nasi dagang, lempeng and more. By focusing on food quality, customer satisfaction and efficient operations, nasi lemak Ayam Seko continues to grow as one of the most popular local food spots in Terengganu.
For supply chain management, I will explain how nasi lemak Ayam Seko manage its supply chain effectively to maintain product quality, cost efficiency and customer satisfaction. For the first point is sourcing and procurement. First, we look at sourcing and procurement nasi lemak Ayam Seko. Sourcing is main ingredient like chicken, rice and coconut milk from local halal certified suppliers. This ensure that the ingredients are always fresh and compliant with halal standard. Reduce cost they purchase in bulk, especially during peak season. This not only secure a better price but also help maintain stock availability. Overall, the goal is to balance freshness, quality and cost efficiency at every stage of procurement. Second is logistic. For raw material collection, nasi lemak Ayam Seko use in-house transport. This gives them more control over delivery time and quality check. When it comes to customer order, they rely on third-party delivery platform like GrabFood and Foodpanda. This service help the business reach more customers without hiring their own rider. With this system, they ensure timely delivery and consistent service for both dine-in and delivery customer. That is supplier relationship. Strong supplier relationship are very important. Nasi lemak Ayam Seko build long-term partnership with reliable local supplier. This help ensure consistent supply of ingredient. To maintain quality, they conduct regular check and monitor supplier performance. There are also clear communication between both sides to ensure that any issue are resolved quickly and expectations are always aligned. Next is strategic use. Nasi lemak Ayam Seko use several supply chain strategy to improve efficiency and sustainability. First is the lean management approach. This means reducing waste in the kitchen, only preparing what needed and managing storage smartly. Second is just-in-time strategy. They cook food based on real-time demand, so customer always get fresh meal and there are less food waste. Lastly is nasi lemak Ayam Seko practice sustainable supply chain management. They use biodegradable packaging, support local and ethical sourcing, and reduce environmental impact with shorter delivery routes and greener practice.
I will be sharing how Nasi Lemak Ayam Seko, a small local food business, manage its inventory through simple but effective techniques. First, they deal with different types of inventory, including raw ingredients like rice and chicken, work-in-progress items like marinated chicken and sambal, and finished goods that are ready to sell. They also keep packaging materials, cleaning supplies, and safety stock for busy days. For control techniques, they use manual logbooks to record stock in and stock out daily. The FIFO method helps them use all the items first to prevent spoiled age. They also check stock levels every morning and control portions to avoid food waste. As for forecasting, they don't use complex software. Instead, they rely on simple methods like tracking daily customer flow, comparing weekday and weekend sales, and preparing extra during festive seasons. Most decisions are based on experience and regular observation. In conclusion, even with basic tools, Nasi Lemak Ayam Seko is able to manage inventory well, keeping their food fresh, their waste low, and their customers happy.
Next, I will explain about analysis chapter for chapter 12 is decision making and application. This chapter discuss operational decision making at Nasi Lemak Ayam Seko, focusing on key areas such as procurement, food preparation, staff scheduling, and hygiene management. The current approach is largely intuitive and experience based, with manual ordering and stock out leading to spoilage and customer dissatisfaction. To improve, a basic forecasting model, a threshold-based reorder system, and digital tools are suggested. Standardization in preparation is also addressed with detailed SOP and hands-on training for all food handlers. Staff scheduling is introduced with demand-based scheduling and cross-training for flexibility. And the last one is equipment and hygiene management is addressed with a daily cleaning checklist and maintenance log. That's all from me. Thank you. Next, we move into our analysis and reflection based on the application of theory to practice in Nasi Lemak Ayam Seko. Firstly, Nasi Lemak Ayam Seko effectively applies two key operational theories. The just-in-time procurement method is clearly demonstrated through their practice of sourcing fresh ingredients daily. This helps minimize storage costs and ensures that food remains fresh and high quality. Secondly, they apply product standardization by maintaining consistent quality, portion size, and food presentation. This approach builds brand reliability and ensures customers know what to expect with every visit. The effectiveness, their supply chain is efficient due to this GIT sourcing strategy. At the same time, high product consistency helps strengthen Nasi Lemak Ayam Seko's brand image and improve customer trust. However, there are still areas that need improvement. Currently, Nasi Lemak Ayam Seko lacks proper inventory tracking and demand forecasting, which can lead to overbuying or running out of key ingredients. Sustainability efforts are also weak, such as plastic packaging is still heavily used and food waste is not managed systematically. Additionally, there is no formal staff shift system in place. Also, customer complaints are not tracked or addressed through a proper feedback system. So, these challenges can affect the business efficiency and reputation in the long run.
For conclusion, key lesson learned is the first one, lean practices are effective. Using lean methods like prep ahead and minimizing waste helps speed up service and reduce costs. Second, standardization builds brand trust. Consistent taste, portion size, and service make customers trust the brand and return more often. The third one is missing structure system. Without proper system, the shop face issues like running out of stock, slow service, and poor staff planning. And the fourth one is weak in sustainability and staff welfare. Too much food waste and unfair work hours affected both the environment and employee morale. Recommendations: inventory and planning. Track stock with a spreadsheet or apps to avoid waste and make reordering easier. Sustainability: offer smaller portions and recycle use all to cut waste and help the environment. Staff welfare: plan shifts fairly so all staff share the workload and they get proper rest. Customer service: train staff to greet customers, take orders quickly, and handle complaints politely. And last but not least is pricing strategy. Add smaller meal sets and student deals to attract more budget-conscious customers.